Hey guys, we are back, and today I want to say happy Memorial Day. So right now I'm going to give you a behind the scenes view of our house. Some of the things that really go on right now. The wife and a few of the kids are headed out, and they are at families for Memorial Day. I was a little bit tired, decided, you know what, let's get home and get to some work happening. So right here is one of our work bathrooms. You can see it is totally full of cleaning equipment. We're getting ready to bring on an entirely new team in the business of home cleaning. Over here we have training videos being made, Final Cut Pro, YouTube, and outside I'm going to show you guys. Today I actually drove both of the vehicles. I went ahead and drove the yellow MR2 to church today. Then Sarah, after church, said, I want to take the black one, the classic Miata, the Unos, to a family. So I was able to have fun, do that. And as you guys can see, this place is a little bit messy right now. Over here, we have a vision tracker, vision goals of things that we want to do. We got more of it. Over here, we have some concepts about YouTube videos. We're creating and planning, seeing out what we want to do for you guys, what to bring to you. Got more training stuff, more stuff about the business, even more stuff. Now, over here, I'm gonna take you guys upstairs. Here's a little kitten. Hey Tyler, you having fun? You know what, since Tyler brought everyone back here, Tyler's the newest member of the family. She's still learning where to poop, and she likes to get petted on the belly. So right here's Tyler, just, oh. So over here we have a construction area. With family, we're trying to improve, get things better. Life is rough in certain ways. We've had our best financial month ever this last month. But there's lots of chaos that's happening. Sarah, what are you watching right now?
ZigZigglar's 10 rolls.
ZigZigglar's 10 rolls. What have you learned so far?
I just started.
She just started. So because chaos is happening, the business is going to be taking over this room, so we have to move the stuff from this room to another room, so that way that can happen. And this wall right here is being taken out, part of it. This wall over here, part of it's being taken out. And I'm going to show you guys up here, we got to build a new room for the girls, because again, the business is taking over their bedroom. They're going to have their own private bathroom. And over here, again, you guys have seen all this footage, all these areas. This is our open kitchen, living room area. We got the attic up here, which it is going to go ahead and get remodeled soon here, because we want to have the playroom for the kids. Again, this stuff requires money, requires time, requires effort. Right now, it is not air conditioned up here. Today outside is like 90 degrees, so this is an attic. It's nice and extra warm. This is going to be a play area. This is going to be an area where we invite people over, so that way they can see a little bit of how we live our lives. We don't want money to be focused about us. We want it to be focused out. YouTube, what we're gonna have coming up for you guys is seeing about how we can reach people, how we can, wherever one is at, what other people are doing in this world, to reach out and to be nice to other people. So in here, the master bedroom right now, we started working on this about a year and a half ago. As you can see, it's still under construction. Right there, you see the ceiling, it's not done. These doors aren't put on yet. Right now, I'm watching Grand Cardone in the background, and you can see my bedroom right now. The floor of it, it's messy, it's awful. Sorry for that, guys, but I want to say happy Memorial Day, and a big key to succeeding in life is to get up, push yourself, rise and grind, as Damon John says. And there's just so many great people on YouTube to inspire, and it's great watching some of the car channels to see what do I want to possibly drive someday. So here's a clip of the cat. Thank you for watching. See you guys.